Hello students, now CBSE has published the new curriculum, that is 2020-2021. So in this new curriculum, you can see the changes here. In the previous one, NumPy was there. Now NumPy has been removed from 12th syllabus. So this is your informatics practices class 12th syllabus 2020 and 2021. Now in this, what all things are there? You should know, like questions are asked from class 11th. So class 11th portion, you have to go through the topics. Now in 11th portion, NumPy is also there. So sample paper will be issued at the end, that is in the month of December, January. So then we will come to know that which all questions will be asked this year, type of questions. Now here what we have to learn at the end of this course, create series. Now this is very easy. pd.series we will do, s will be capital, and using list, using dictionary, so we can create the series. Creating data frame, this also we will do. pd.dataframe, d capital, f capital, and using a list, using a series, using a dictionary, we will create data frames. Apply various operations, so we will do traversing, we will do slicing, all the operations are given. Perform aggregation operations, all the over the data, that is sum operation, all the aggregate functions we will use. Calculate descriptive statistics, mean, mode, median functions, ready-made functions are also given, as well as the other functions we will discuss. Visualize data using relevant graphs, so bar graph, all the graphs we will plot. Design SQL queries using aggregate functions, so MySQL commands, and what is DBMS, database management system. So all the aggregate functions also we will do, that is max, min, sum, avg, count function. Import export data between SQL database and pandas, so we will do the connectivity of Python with SQL, that is pandas with SQL. We will import and we will export the data. Learn terminology related to networking and internet, so complete computer networking and internet we will do. Identify internet security issues and configure browser settings. So these last year also we have done cyber security. So this year we will identify all the different internet security issues and how to avoid those problems. Explain the impact of technology on society, including gender and disability issues. So if anybody is having any disability issues, then how this technology is having its impact. So what all disability issues, suppose somebody is blind, visual problem, hearing problem. Now how using technology, there are so many softwares, you can convert it into braille, and many different technologies are there. So that we will learn in detail. And including gender, suppose some girls are not allowed to use to learn computers. So it was in olden times, nowadays it is not there. So the impact of technology on all these issues we will do. Now the marks distribution is like this, that is data handling using pandas and data visualization 30 marks, database query using SQL 25 marks, introduction to computer networks 7 marks, societal impacts 8 marks. So these are the marks. Practical will be of 30 marks. Which all questions will be asked in practical, that also has been given. So here the theory portion we will do one by one now. Data handling using pandas and data visualization. So complete data handling using pandas we will do, in which we will first do the Python libraries pandas and matplotlib. Then the different data structures in pandas, series and data frame we will do. In series we will learn creation of series from ND array, dictionary, scalar value, mathematical operations, head and tail functions, selection, indexing and slicing. In data frame we will learn creation from data. Yes, now next is data frame creation from dictionary of series, list of dictionaries, text and CSV files, display, iteration, operations on rows and columns, add, select, delete, rename, head and tail functions, indexing using labels, Boolean indexing, joining, merging, concatenation, importing, exporting data between CSV files and data frames. Now in data handling with using pandas part 2, we are having descriptive statistics, min, max, count, sum, mean, mode, median, quartile, standard deviation, variance, data frame operations, aggregation, group by, sorting, deleting and renaming index, pivoting, handling missing values, dropping and filling, importing, exporting data between MySQL database and pandas. In data visualization, purpose of plotting, drawing and saving following types of plots using matplotlib: line plot, bar graph, histogram, pie chart, frequency polygon, box plot, scatter plot, customizing plots, color, style, dashed, dotted, width, adding label, title and legends in plots. Now database query unit 2, database query using SQL. In this we will do all the math functions: power, round, mod, text function, UCase, upper, LCase, lower, mid, substrings. These three are alternates, anyone you can use: mid, substring or substr, length, left, right, in string, ltrim, rtrim, trim, date functions: now, date, month, month name, year, day, day name, aggregate functions: max, min, sum, avg, count, count star, querying and manipulating data using group by, having, order by, operations on relations, union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product, join. Unit 3 is introduction to computer networks, introduction to networks, types of network, LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN, network devices, modem, hub, switch, repeater, router, gateway, network topology, star, bus, tree, mesh, introduction to internet, URL, www, World Wide Web and its applications, web, email, chat, VoIP, website introduction, difference between a website and web page, static versus dynamic web page, web server and hosting of a website, web browsers, introduction, commonly used browsers, browser settings, add-ons and plugins, cookies. Unit 4, societal impact, digital footprints, net and communication etiquettes, data protection, intellectual property rights, IPR, plagiarism, licensing and copyright, free and open source software, was, cybercrime and cyber laws, hacking, phishing, cyberbullying, overview of Indian IT Act, e-waste, hazards and management, awareness about health concerns related to the usage of technology. So this is your complete syllabus. Project work, you have to design a project based on your all these topics. You can use connectivity from Python to MySQL, and you can use all the data frames, databases. Now practical marks distribution, you have to write programs using pandas and matplotlib, SQL queries. So in practical file you have to write 20 programs on pandas, 5 on matplotlib, 20 SQL queries must be included. Project work, whatever knowledge you have learned in 11th as well as in 12th. So this is your practical portion. Now the practical list they have provided, CBSE has provided the complete practical list which you have to write in practical copy. So we have to do each and everything. This is of visualization, this is of data management. The complete practical list is given to you. This is of networks. So the book will be available. Till now the book is not available of class 12th. NCERT book is not available. So it will be available at the end of June, then you can go through the book. So this is your complete syllabus. It is easy. You can see the sample question paper. I will just put it in the description box, all the links of this. This is given in CBSE site, CBSE curriculum, and the sample question papers are also given. So that also I will give in the description box. So you go through the portion. So have a nice day.